Hook. Give me 60 minutes and I'll give you a live sales funnel, from offer to opt-in to email sequence, built with ChatGPT and Google Sheets. No expensive tools, no copywriter, just a repeatable system you can deploy today. Value. We'll pick a simple offer, map the value ladder, and draft headlines in bullets. Then we'll generate landing copy, social proof blocks, and a frictionless opt-in. In Sheets we'll model the funnel map, center, opt-in rate, email center, and sales conversion, so you know your targets. We'll create a 5-email sequence: hook, story, value, objection handling, and close, with AI-assisted drafts you'll personalize. Finally, we'll wire a basic tracking sheet to measure revenue per subscriber and kill weak variance fast. Call to action. Comment, funnel, to get the Sheets template and copy prompt suite used in the build.